This is a Honda Odyssey. This is a 2022 model, but the 5th generation, these should all be the same. And actually most Honda vehicles, the rear windshield wiper blade replacement is this exact mechanism. The size will vary, but how you do it is exactly the same. So if you have a 2018 to 2025 Honda Odyssey, this will absolutely work. And then on most other models, I've worked on Honda Fits, CRVs, uses this same mechanism. So if you're looking at this and wondering how to do it on another car, it's probably the same thing. 90% sure that they all work the same way. They just have 10-inch, 12-inch wiper blades. So let's jump into it first. So here we're gonna pull this back. Boom, this goes to here. You're gonna feel a resistance and it just pops out like that. That's it. And I'll show you a close up here. Then when you go to put the new one on, it fits through this top hole through here and then into the little guy there. And then we'll do close up. Another thing to mention is clean off your windshield when you put a fresh new blade. That way you're not sticking and embedding dirt right into that brand new blade. Here's the close up, just so you can see how this goes. So you get it bent to here, you have it away from the car, and there's a little click. Then when it's turned there, this slides out. You see the little spot where it goes into. You see the D-shaped connector there. When you go to put it in, slide all the way till this touches the actual blade, and then this goes into its home. Make sure it's all the way in there first, because it will not want to go if you do not have it all the way seated in there. Shouldn't take much pressure. There we go. So it shouldn't take much pressure. If you're having to push more than a little bit, like I'm pushing with my finger, and that snaps into place. But if that's not seated, it won't snap into place. So shouldn't have to push hard. Pops out, push firm in, pops into place. And you're done. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.